Hi guys, Bleach here. Just thought I'd show you a quick video of my birds. This is my Cockatiel. He's from a breeder pair of cockatiels I used to have that passed away, and he's the surviving baby. I neglected to give him a name. I still haven't figured out a name for him. But this one's name is Peanut. This is my Indian ringneck parakeet. He's got a black ring around his neck, as you can see. That's why they call him ringneck. You see those little holes on his nose there? That's how he breathes. Also, the Cockatiel has those too. He's a little camera shy. You can see him there. And he loves peanuts. Watch this. Just gonna sit there and eat it.
Push.
He loves peanuts.
You're friends with my mother?
Takes them right out of my hand and eats them, guys.
So why should we get it all the same way?
He's getting jealous. His beak's not big enough to eat peanuts.
Right price.
Oh, he loves peanuts. Alright guys, what do you think I should name my Cockatiel? You can name him if you want. It's hard naming birds. It's easier with my dogs. Oh no. Oh, be careful. Careful, baby. Who needs a good camera to tape a bird? I know. There's the birdie. Oh, birdie. Birdie. Birdie.
When it comes to rewards, there's plenty to get.
Birdie. Cockatiel. Cockatielin. Cockatielin. He's a beautiful bird. I love my birds, guys. I had this one about 7, maybe 8 years. And this one about, I would say, 6. I had the oldest cockatiel I had to live to be about 17 to 18 years old. These guys, I think, live about maybe 30, 40 years old, these ringnecks. So he'll be here a while with me as long as I take good care of him. He's such a good baby. I'm going to end it here, guys. You take care. He's going to miss you. He has no idea what I'm doing. There you go, guys. Please comment and subscribe. Bye, guys.